Hello, sir. So I'll make a quick video for you, saying the things you can improve on your store. Okay, I'm terrible at this, but okay, let's do it to save some time. So the first thing, okay, your cover image looks good. Let's say good. Okay, it can be better, but okay, let's say it's good. Okay, then the logo look bad, simply bad. You have to make it pop. Okay, you can't read the thing. Okay, I can't imagine how it will look when I am on my phone. Okay, most people buy on their phone, right? So you need to make it pop. Okay, it's you just need to do something about it. Okay, regarding the artist page, okay, here your artist page need okay, you have not uploaded anything. Okay, you have need to add photos, you need to add your bio, you need to add your own photo here. Okay, that way you can bring some toast, okay, and things like that. Okay, you need to update your artist page. Okay, then okay, then let me say you let me tell you why you are not getting sales maybe. Okay, you have 49 products. Okay, that's bad. You need to add, okay, around 500 products maybe to see some traction. Okay, you need to collect data basically. So the more products you add, the more data you get. And see, let's say you are paying freelancers on Fiverr. Okay, it just costs what, $50 to add a 500 designs. How much? Like $100 maybe. Okay, you need to add 500 designs, that's it. Okay, 500 good designs. Okay, I will come to the good part. Okay, let's say you have to add 500 designs. Okay, then okay, 49 designs. Okay, you can't make sales. Okay, it's just okay. Then none of your items are on sale. You can actually, you might have known the okay, there is a promotion tab. You can run sales on your item. It's free. You need to run sales. Okay, 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 there is a real reason why we are not getting sales. There are two reasons basically. Okay, I will be very honest. Your designs look terrible, just terrible. They are just bad. You can't get sales. Okay, on okay, white background you can't like see this design. Okay, you can't even read the what the design says. Okay, how are you gonna make sales, right? Okay, this thing, it looks so artificial, right? You can't make sales on this design. Okay, you have 5,000 listings, you can't make sales. I just know for a fact. Okay, you need to add good designs. Okay, so I was just preparing some designs for a client. I will show you here. Okay, see these designs. Okay, they kind of pop. Okay, then they're like cute, and people will buy these things over simple text track. Okay, see this design. Okay, oh, let's say this lion thing. Okay, so you need to add you need to improve your designs. Okay, so that's a very important thing. You can't get sales on this thing, this, okay, with the designs you have right now. Then another most important thing, you are just I don't know what, you are designing and posting products in multiple niches. So baby clothing has nothing to do with Valentine Day gifts, has nothing to do with phone cases, has nothing to do with digital prints. They're like completely random things. You are just adding this. You need to pick up only one niche and add 500 designs in it, good designs. Okay, so that's the thing you can do. When you go into one of the listings. Okay, let me say something real quick. Okay, let's see, let's say the title is nice. Okay, I don't know, I have not researched in the particular niche yet, but let's say it's nice. Okay, and you are doing things. Okay, let's say the title is nice. Okay, then the most important thing, the listing images. Okay, the listing images are just terrible. They are just bad. You can't you can't make a sell on these listing images. Okay, if you are a celebrity you can, or let's say you just can't it's really hard to get. Okay, this is the example I just pulled out. Okay, let's see this thing. Okay, see this. Okay, I have designed that for my client actually. Okay, so okay, she is just selling African American shirts. Okay, so okay, she has a lot a couple of designs. Okay, people using it. Okay, they look good, right? They look good than your shirt. Okay, it's just a shirt. Okay, you can't. Okay, it's just the design looks bad and the listing looks bad. You are not using 10 images, you are just using 6. You can use 10. So okay, those are the things. So those are my suggestions. You need to add a lot of products, you need to go into a particular niche, you need to add good listing images. I have not seen your hashtags yet, but okay, hashtags don't actually, you can't like be 100% sure about the hashtags. Okay, but what you can do is you can add a 500 listings, and then maybe you can get a couple of sales. Okay, and okay, you break even, and then okay, you have got a lot of data. You know some product is getting sales, you can run ads on that. Okay, that's how you grow your Etsy. Okay, it's not in your case. Okay, it's just impossible. 49 products, bad designs, and okay, random niches, it's not gonna happen. Okay, another important thing, you don't have any reviews yet. Okay, so you don't have any reviews yet, so what you can do is you can add a downloadable png file maybe for 199 cents, or okay, you need to check the list price. I forgot that. Okay, you need to add that thing, and you need to collect reviews by sending the item to your friends and family, and okay, they will buy that and they will review your items. Okay, you need to gain at least 100 reviews maybe. Okay, it will cost you, let's say the price of the product you said is $1. It's a downloadable item, so it will charge around 30 cents maybe. So it will cost you for 100 sales and 100 reviews, it will cost you $40 maybe. Okay, in that range. That's really important. Okay, I need to do that. Okay, so if you have any doubts, you want to discuss anything, I'm here. Thank you. Yeah, message me on Fiverr only. I don't want you to message me on any other platform. Thank you.